everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a healthy twist to a classic favorite, Palak vegetable pulao. Fresh veggies, colorful vegetables and aromatic spices all come together in this one wholesome pot. It's vibrant, nutritious and loaded with flavor in every bite. This makes for a wonderful lunchbox recipe as well, so let's get started and check it out. I have all the ingredients ready here. The very first step for this pulao is preparing a fresh masala paste. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Once it heats up, add in the whole spices. 2 small pieces of cinnamon, 2 to 3 cloves, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Roast them gently until they release a wonderful aroma. Next, toss in a few cashews and let them turn golden. As the cashews roast, add 3 fresh green chilies, a piece of chopped ginger and 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Along with that, add some coconut pieces. This combination gives a nice rich base to our masala. Now to make this paste even more flavorful, add a handful of fresh coriander leaves, a handful of mint leaves and a handful of palak or spinach leaves. Saute them together on a medium flame until everything blends well. Turn off the stove, transfer it to a plate and let it cool completely. Now you can grind it with a little water into a nice smooth paste. And there you go, our special masala for this pulao is ready. This fresh paste is a secret to the fragrance and the taste of this dish. Next, let's start with the pulao. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pressure cooker. Once hot, add the whole spices again. Add 2 bay leaves, a couple of cloves, 2 cardamoms, a small piece of cinnamon, 1 star anise and a bit of mace. Saute until they turn aromatic. Add in 1 large onion thinly sliced. You can just cut it lengthwise or chop it finely, whichever you prefer. Saute the onions for a minute until it softens. Next, add 1 diced potato. Since the potatoes take longer to cook, we can add them first. After sauteing for 2 to 3 minutes, add the rest of the vegetables. 1 chopped carrot, a few beans chopped, a few florets of cauliflower and about a quarter cup of fresh green peas. Mix well and let all the vegetables roast together for a couple of minutes. Once the veggies are slightly cooked, add 2 finely chopped tomatoes along with a teaspoon of salt. So mix everything well and let the tomatoes soften. So you can see the mixture looks very colorful and vibrant. Into this, add the freshly ground masala paste. As soon as it goes in, you'll notice a beautiful fragrance filling your kitchen. Mix thoroughly and let it cook on low flame until the raw smell disappears. Add about 1 cup of water first and let the vegetables cook for about 5 minutes. For this recipe, I've taken 1 cup of basmati rice. That's a 250 ml cup measurement. I've washed it well, soaked it in water for about half an hour and then drained it completely. Add the rice to the vegetable mixture. Soaked rice always gives a better texture for pulao and biryani. The ratio for basmati rice is 1.5 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. Since we've already added 1 cup of water earlier for the vegetables, we now add just half a cup of water along with the rice. Mix everything gently, check for salt and adjust as needed. I'm adding 1 more teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of ghee for extra flavor. Now close the pressure cooker. Once the steam builds up, place the weight and let it cook for about 5 minutes on medium flame. You don't need to wait for whistles, just 5 minutes is perfect. Turn off the stove, let the pressure release naturally. So now let's open the cooker and check on the pulao. Wow, just look at that. Our Palak Pulao has turned out so beautifully. The rice is fluffy and the vegetables are perfectly cooked. And the aroma of that masala is just amazing. Gently mix it up once and it's ready to be served. You can serve this piping hot Palak Pulao with some nice chilled raita on the side. The combination is simply unbeatable. Warm, flavorful pulao with cool, refreshing raita. Now this dish is healthy, wholesome and perfect for lunch or dinner. I'll give you a couple of links to the other pulao recipes. You can check them out as well. Well, I'm going to enjoy this delicious Palak vegetable pulao and I will tell you how yummy it is. Wow, the flavors are just incredible. That lovely, incredible masala is just too good. It's just elevated the pulao to a whole new level. This is a great dish. You can make it for lunch, for dinner. You can pack it for your lunch boxes. Kids will absolutely enjoy it. So give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.